Hey guys, welcome to my another video. I have I was searching some keywords um, in Google AdWords, and what I found was people were searching a lot on YouTube Studio. People were searching a lot about YouTube Studio, how YouTube Studio works, and how to use to YouTube Studio, and even the bid was very high. So I thought, why not make a video on it? So in this video, I will be telling you guys from zero to the pro, from zero to become a hero in identifying your own YouTube studio. So here, this will be the basic lecture. Just like in 8 to 10 minutes, I will teach you A to Z everything about YouTube studio. So this is your dashboard. Here you can see all the analytics of your channel, A to Z, everything you can see here. And through here you can upload videos, and this is the content. Here you will see the videos you have uploaded so far, and what else. Like, I will refresh it and it will show you some of my content. Like, only one video might be uploaded, two. All right, so here you can see two videos, and you can see all the analytics. If you want to see the current analytics of a video, you just open it and go to analytics, and through that you can see all the analytics you want. So far so good. Here you can see watch time, subscriber, views, reach, engagement, audience, etc, all the things you want to see so far. And in playlist, if you have a playlist, or are you if you are looking to create a new playlist, from here you can create a playlist and add your specific videos in that playlist. Through that, the work will be like starting, and you can like make a full course on one on topic, and then you can create a playlist of that topic. So this is how like playlist things works, and playlist like shows how far it went and go. I hope you understand what I'm trying to tell you guys. So in analytics, this there you have see different analytics. Before that was video analytics. It shows you only analytics of one video, and here in the dashboard in the YouTube studio, you will see the analytics of your whole channel. Here you can see the whole channel analytics from A to Z. Right now it's my just fresh channel. I haven't uploaded so far, even though it's just been like 3 to 4 hours I have made this channel, and I'm uploading content. Through here you can see the overviews things. Here you will see the content, how much content for the last 28 days. So you can just set filter 7, 8, 90, 36, like 365 in lifetime, to see how much money or how much your content has gained much engagement so far. In audience, you will see what is your audience retention rate, and what subscriber, and who are unique viewers. And research, you can research about some specific keyword. Like, I will write here YouTube studio. Let's see what are people trying to find in YouTube studio. So here you can see the YouTube studio setup, thumbnail kaise lagaye YouTube studio se. So here people are trying to find videos that the search volume is high. And one more thing about YouTube studio I want to tell you guys. If you go on click all searches and then content gaps only, here you can see the keywords that are people trying to find search on YouTube, but they aren't finding anything. Like, what does content gap means? Content gap, it says that content gap is a way of measuring what viewers are searching for, and the results they find. So basically, viewers are trying to find YouTube studio app, but they aren't find results, or the results are very poor. That's why this keyword lies on in you content gap section. So a content gap can happen when viewers can't find any results for their searches, viewers can't find an exact match for their searches, viewers can't find relevant video for their searches. For example, the content is old or low quality. So this is how content gap works. You see, and you may want to use content gap as a starting point to research videos that don't exist or that could be improved. So in this, if you guys make videos on these topics, your channel will probably you grow by leaps and bounds. Slow and steady always wins the race. So get a grip on these things. It will really work well. Creator Studio, youtube.com, how to upload videos on YouTube Studio. What really people aren't finding stuff on like this. Recent subscriber not showing on YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio में thumbnail का option कैसे लगाएं? Like here you can find a lot of topics you need so far so good. And here comment on in comment section you will see what comments you have gone you have get on your whole channel. And if any of it's held for you can check it from here. Subtitles, you can add subtitles. In copyright you can see if your channel has any copyright strike. In monetization tab you will see if your channel what are the requirements or if your channel is monetized or not. So here in customization you can do the designing and branding of your channel and things, the details you need so far. And here audio library, you can use these songs, these musics without copyright thing, without your channel will get a copyright strike because this is music library used by the YouTube itself. So this is all the dashboard I have told you guys so far. Perhaps in this single video we have become from beginner to the pro in YouTube Studio. One more section what YouTube Studio has, its settings. If you go on settings, and here you will check feature eligibility, which means that here you guys have to activate it. If once you activate this after entering your number and enabling the two-step thing, videos over 15 minutes, custom thumbnail, live streaming and content ID will be enabled for you guys. So this is how YouTube Studio and how other like things like stuffs works. So I hope you guys understand how YouTube Studio works, what is YouTube Studio, and how you can make up plan by doing keyword analysis. Through that I have teach you guys on, so you can make another video by doing keyword analysis only. So yeah, that's all for today. Our video is has been like 7 minutes already, so it will be total like 8 minutes. In 8 minutes, you guys have become a pro in this video. So alright, guys, that's all for today. I will be seeing you guys in more videos in near future. If you guys want me to upload more videos like this, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell notifications so you never miss another video. All right, have a nice day ahead. I'm signing out. Bye.